Hi guys, I'm just doing a simple recipe today for you for chocolate chip cookies. So what you need is 100 grams of softened butter, 75 grams of caster sugar, 50 grams of light brown sugar. If you don't have light brown sugar, don't worry, you can just put 125 grams of caster sugar in. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 large egg, 150 grams of self-raising flour, and 100 grams of dark chocolate chips, or you can use milk chocolate or white chocolate chips, whichever one you prefer. So to start, in a bowl we mix our butter and our sugar until it's soft and creamy. So you can use an electric whisk if you want, but it's a bit noisy for the video, so I'm not going to use one. So you give it a good mix until it's soft and creamy. So it should come out something like that. So in another bowl, I've got 1 egg whisked up a little bit with a half teaspoon of vanilla essence. So you can go ahead and add that in. Should get all in and mix that all together. Once it's well mixed in and all the milk, the egg is mixed together. So once you have that all mixed, it should look like a nice smooth, kind of a thickish paste. So into that now we're going to add our flour. And once again, we'll give a good mix, making sure you mix all the flour in. And it will start to form into a dough-like texture. Should look something like that. So last but not least is probably your favourite bit, the chocolate chips. So add them in and give it a stir. If you're using an electric mixer, don't use it for this part, just use a spoon to stir in your chocolate chips. Otherwise they'll break off in the mixer. So there's your mixture all ready to go on a baking tray. Just going to clean this up a little bit here, make some space. So the next part is to get your baking tray ready. Now you probably have baking trays at home, something around that size. You'll need 3 of those, and cover them with greaseproof paper. I have a big one, so I'm just going to use one. So I'll put the greaseproof paper on here, and then if you get a teaspoon and get your mixture, so you use a large teaspoon, so probably about that amount, onto the paper. Make sure you leave space so the biscuits have enough space to spread out, because they will spread out when you're cooking them. So when we have these ready to go in, they cook for about 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Now nearly done one tray. So on my big tray, I've got 8. So these go in the oven at, if it's a normal oven, it's 190. If it's a fan oven, it's 170. And if you're using gas, it's gas mark 5. And they go into the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Just make sure whoever's helping you checks them, and be careful, don't burn your fingers. So I've just put the timer on there. If you don't have a timer on your oven, you can use the timer on your phone. So when they're finished in the oven, take them out and leave them on the baking tray for about 3 to 4 minutes. No longer or they'll stick. And then remove them and put them on a wire baking tray to let them cool. And then at the end, you should have your nice chocolate chip cookies. You can also, if you like, you could melt some more chocolate and swirl it on the top of them, or you could put ice and sugar, or just eat them as the way they are. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you all soon. Take care.